Okay, this is me, reporter Eric for BBC News. Today I am interviewing a dimension hopper on the new rule law in Earth that Mr. Derek Johnson has set out. Now, what do you think about no aliens being allowed on Earth?
I mean, personally, from a bird person, it doesn't really bother me. As Mr. Derek Johnson asked me to be his personal security.
I
He's quite a
see.
nice guy, actually. You should get to know him.
Well, apparently, I did set up an interview with him. It should be today at some point.
Hmm.
So, what do you think other aliens will think? Like, how this affect them?
And I'll come back today.
Excuse me, this is an interview.
Yeah, I got the microphone. That's what's in my hand.
Right. Okay.
Sorry,
So
it's
yeah,
not
how
very
do you
good
think this
microphone,
will
just get it.
affect other aliens?
Sorry, can you repeat that question, please?
How do you think this will affect other people like aliens that usually
I
come
mean,
to Earth?
personally, I don't really care how it affects them. They don't really make anything up for me, you know. I'm just here, for a little bit of a job, and then I'm gonna, ditch this place and see what happens to the next life.
So wait, are you saying that you can? So, sorry, can you add a bit more context to what you just said?
Well, I mean, in a I could say this in a way you'd understand or a way I'd understand. So I'll say it in the way you understand. Basically, I'm just
He
here
doesn't give a
just to
shit.
a little, drive by, see what happens, see if any giant casualties happen, maybe a big
Right.
explosion in the future, you know. But I'm really just here for a few days and going to another world. But aliens may feel a bit sad, anxious, annoyed about this new rule over, but I think it's a good thing for Earth because the amount of invasions that happen is quite daily.
Right.
Sure.
Wait, so when you say you move on to the next world,
Never.
Are you the fuck? Are you able to go to other worlds?
Well, dimensions, and you name it. I haven't decided whether to spare this world yet or explode it. I don't know if I'm in the
Shit.
mood, to be honest.
So are you announcing that you are also an alien?
Well, I mean, I'm a bird person. Do I really look like I'm human?
I think he's got.
He's got a point there.
I mean, I'm more of like, I mean, my race, you could say, is a bird. You know,
What
that's an
type of bird? Are
Earthling
you a
thing.
pigeon? Pigeon?
Nah, I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle.
Oh, you're a seagull.
No, seagulls aren't an actual thing. See, that's just a thing you guys gave them the nickname, but that's not the actual name. They're just
What's
gulls.
the actual name? Gulls.
They're just gulls. Yeah,
Oh damn.
fun fact. See, as a bird person, I know these things.
Oh, you related to
Right.
seagulls or the day like the
I mean, they're birds, so in a way, yes.
He's playing the piano. What's your rival bird gang?
My rival bird gang, oh, definitely the pigeons. They keep shitting on my lawn.
Yeah, fair enough.
Swear to
Okay, I
God.
think this interview's gone off a bit track. So thank you for our lens interview
What's
today.
the question?
Sorry, what did you say? There's someone typing on a bloody keyboard.
Damn it!
You're
Go
fired.
to your timeout corner. Little shit. Sorry. Carry on.
No, I think that's basically all the questions. If you do you have anything to say?
No, I don't really have anything. Except that I probably might blow the world up in a week. I don't know. I haven't decided yet.
There's too much
Okay.
up and all.
Do you want to say anything to Derek Johnson if he's watching this?
Well, I mean, I am his security guard and one of his personal mercenaries to work. So, I just hope this works, and I think we're kidnapping you.
I see. Well, this
Yes.
is me, reporter Eric, being kidnapped for the third time today.
per time. Well, that's
and
incredible.
yeah, see you on the flip side.